Hi, this is Richard Jones, the Welsh Lockpicker, and what I've got for you today is this really cool piece of kit, and I'd probably call this a night latch of some description. Really heavy duty, and it came to me with this, and this is a Chubb cylinder. I have picked this, and it is an absolute beast with lots of falsettes in it. So this would fit in there on the other side of the door, and the key would operate it. So without the key, I can just turn the latch like this. So I thought I would give this a pick just to show you the action. And what's really cool about it is on the back, which I'll show once it's picked, it operates like a lever lock that's triggered by pin tumblers. The tensioner coming out. This internal side actually only works on, I think it's about 3 pins at best, but being a Chubb, it is an absolute beast of a pick. I think it might be obscuring the pins with the bottom of this tensioner, so let's try this way. As with all locks, no matter how easy they look, they all become very camera shy very quickly, no matter how many times you pick it off camera. Come on. There we go. So we've got the open. And then if I put the pick down, turn it around and rotate, you will see the inner workings turning, and then the lever pack at the top raising and the bar retreating. But it's still halfway open, so it does need 2 rotations. So we'll do that for the full open. And go into a bit of falset, so it does show the security pins on the inside as well. And then we'll do another rotation, the full rotation, and we've got this open. So just so you guys can see the lever pack again, and as I said, you can see this key sticking out, so it only operates on about half the pins. If you keep an eye on the top, see the lever pack retreat, halfway point, and then back, and the same in reverse. There we go, that's all we've got time for. So if you do like my videos, please subscribe. Diolch yn fawr.